Okay, so we're starting this one at the funny sex shop, which is closed. But I just thought it was kind of funny, they got it. So we're gonna start this one here, the funny sex shop, and then we're gonna walk directly down that street, and I'll show you what's all around here as well. Stay tuned. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna start out at this place right here. And before we go in, just kind of see what's around here. Locked-in bowling and snooker. Done that way, eh? Well, before we even get started, let's just kind of take a look at this building. I don't even know where to begin. Looks like things are closed for one. Taipa Express Delivery. Don't know. Everything looks kind of closed though. So here's another one. This also looks closed too. So I think I heard from somebody else that told me that this building is kind of filled with ghosts. So there's some kind of story behind it, so it's kind of basically abandoned. Let's just kind of take a look and see exactly what this is. A Japanese restaurant, maybe? Let's just go out and take a look. Let's give a little context where we are exactly. Some gold shops. There's the Golden Dragon Casino. And I believe this is called Rua De Malaca. And this is, let's kind of take a look. Supermercado, the good look supermarket right there. Casino Golden Dragon right there. Let's take a look in here real quick. So this one, if you go all the way down, there's like a Thai thing. Let's go all the way down. So there's sauna, and you go all the way down and there's like a, I guess we'll go down there and take a look. There's that Taobao thing again. So we're just gonna walk all the way down. Kind of give you some context. That's where we just came from. There's a restaurant right there. Travel agency sign, but everything looks kind of closed down, right? This whole street has actual restaurants. Then out here, there's Zhuhai. We have a little. So that's Casa Real Hotel. Hill is up there too. Got this little temple here. We'll just kind of go like this. Then we'll kind of go in. There's a Thai temple right there. I guess here you can pray. Okay, so it looks kind of cool right there, right? And you go on in. Just kind of continue. Kind of want to get back to that main street again that we were at. So we can kind of give you some context of everything. Here's some more empty stuff in here. Let's just kind of go So yeah, I think, I guess the story is all these ones are basically abandoned, and it looks like that's definitely true. It's hot in here too. It's a liquor shop right there. Sick. Okay, we're gonna head on out. Then straight ahead is the Casino Dragon. Casino Golden Dragon. My apologies. There it is. And right up there is Gia Hill. You can see the lighthouse up at the top there. And then we're going to capture the street view here. There it is. Rua De Malaca. So there's Rua De Malaca, there's Casa Real, there's a hotel right there. Now we're basically in the sunshine now. Got this street right here too. Rua de Luis. Casino Dragon. Casino Golden Dragon, sorry. There's something called the 18 Sauna. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to end this video in a second. Let's kind of get down, kind of show you what's in this corner first. There's another casino over there, and Fisherman's Wharf is straight ahead, that one right there. It's called Legend Palace, I think it is. And this one is, there's like a little club in there and some restaurants. Let's get out of the sun and come on down over here. So we'll just go a little further and then we'll show you ferry terminal location. So this is all called Rua De Malaca. That's where we started over there. Those sex shops that are closed. These trees are really guarded up, eh? There's Rua De Malaca. And that's Legend Palace Hotel. Sands Casino. Overpass. Golden Dragon. And Rua De Malaca right there. So let's end it right there.